Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
In my previous class, do you remember what I had taught? It was regarding the transitive force and intransitive force, right?
Yes,
Now, today that verb pattern, I had already told you 24 helping verbs, right? 13 modals and 11 primary auxiliaries. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, these are all 13 modal auxiliaries. Am, is, are, was, were, all these things, they are called 11 primary auxiliaries. 13 plus 11,
24.
24 helping verbs. Now, that time also I told you at the ending of the video, what is transitive verb, what is intransitive verb. Today's concept is new. It is regarding finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Okay? Finite and non-finite. What is a finite verb? What is a non-finite verb? Can anybody tell me what is a finite verb?
Sir, finite verbs are those which are found in tense chart.
Very good. Finite verbs, those verb forms are found in the 12 forms of the verb in the tense chart. And there the action is complete. Whereas the non-finite verbs, these forms are not found in the tense chart. Secondly, they always function as adjective, adverb or noun. Being verbs, they never function as verbs. They function as adjective or adverb or noun. Example I will give you. And this non-finite verbs, these forms are either ing or ed.
Or EN.
EN.
Very good. Or 2
2
plus
plus
2
v1.
plus B1. 2 plus B1.
2 plus v1. So these forms are called non-finite verbs. In Hindi we call it asamayapika kriya. Finite verb samayapika kriya, non-finite asamayapika kriya. And these forms are in ing or ed or en or 2 plus verb. Now I am going to give you
Sir, can I say
examples.
something?
Yes.
Sir, other or acting as adjective.
Right.
and adverb.
These verb forms are always acting as adjective or adverb
Or noun.
or noun. Very good. So you have already remembered.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the function. The function is non-finite verbs. They function as adjective or adverb or
Or
noun.
noun.
Now I am going to give you example. First of all, ing. Smoking is bad. Cycling is good for health. Okay. I like eating orange. So here ing verbs acting as
Adjective.
no. Here ing verbs are acting as a noun.
Nouns.
Yes,
Smoking is a bad habit. Cycling is good for health. Eating orange is good. I don't like eating orange. So here these ing verb forms are used in different ways. When we say smoking is a bad habit, here smoking, that ing verb is acting as noun. Yes, good. It is acting as noun. Now, I don't like smoking. Here also smoking is acting as noun. I don't like this. I don't like that. I don't like it. Eat this, that. They are all pronouns. Pronoun का जगह में noun का जगह में pronoun. I don't like swimming. I don't like
Cycling.
cycling. I don't like smoking. So here ing verbs either in the beginning of the sentence,
I don't
smoking
like
is
playing.
bad, either beginning or ending. Ing verb forms act as a noun. These are also called non-finite. Remember,
Yes,
ing verbs acting as a noun are called
Non-finite.
non-finite. Very good. Now ing verbs that are also acting as adjective. He is a boring boy. She is an interesting girl. Look at that child, a very interesting child, interesting baby, boring man. He's a boring man. Any example you have?
Sir, this is a boring story.
This is a boring story. or this is an interesting story. So boring, interesting. Now they are adjectives because नाम का पहला आया है. Story story से नाम. Boring story, interesting story. So ing for acting as adjective. Smoking is a bad habit. Ing for acting as noun. But smoking is a bad habit. Ing for acting as a noun. But here ing for acting as adjective. He is a boring boy. This is an interesting story. Boring, interesting. So ing acting as a noun. Ing acting as adjective. Right? Understood? Now I am coming to ed. This is a decorated car. Look at the car. It is a decorated car. In marriage, they are using those cars decorated, well
With
decorated.
flowers.
Yes, decorated. So decorated ed. What is decorated here? Adjective. Why adjective? Car is a noun. Decorated car. So decorated is adjective. Okay. Ed is adjective. Any example you have?
Sir, can I say something? Sir, he is a frustrated man.
Yes, very good, very good. He is a frustrated man. Hatash, niras, he is a frustrated man. Man is a noun. So frustrated, that ed is adjective. Okay. Now en. This is a
Broken chair.
broken chair. This is a broken chair. Chair is a noun. Therefore, broken is adjective.
Object.
So broken chair, broken table, broken pen, broken leg, these are all, or stolen pen, stolen table, stolen chair. So broken, stolen, that's en. Okay, en, broken, stolen. So they are also acting as adjective. Now coming to adverb. He went away. He went away crying. Okay, he went away crying. ओ रोते रोते चला गया. What is went? It's a verb.
Verb.
What is crying? Non-final verb. Okay. This is found the tense chart. I went, you went, he went. Past simple tense. So in tense chart is there. So therefore, went is finite verb. Whereas crying is
Non-finite
verb.
Very good. It is a non-finite verb. He went away crying. He went away smiling. He went away laughing. Okay. So this went verb is now a qualifier. Went away smiling, went away crying, went away laughing. So here this ing verb is adverb. Adverb means any word that qualifies the verb. He went slowly, he went speedily. So slowly, speedily, quickly, they are adverbs. Okay. Now here he went crying, he went smiling, he went laughing. They are also adverbs. Okay. Any doubt you have?
Sir, can I say one more example? Sir, I said relaxed.
I said relaxed. I said relaxed. Said is a verb. Relaxed is adverb.
Adverb.
Right? Okay. Your knowledge is good. Now, adjective, adverb, noun. These are the functions of the non-finites. Non-finites are functioning, although they are verbs. Bhar hote hue, they are not functioning as verbs. Right? Their function is adjective or adverb or noun. Okay? Although they are verbs, these non-finite verbs, they never function as verbs, they function as adjective or adverb or noun only. And the forms are ing or ed or en or 2 plus v1. Now ing I told, ed I told, en also. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to 2 plus v1. To go,
To
to
play,
come, to
to
play,
meet,
to
to
miss,
talk.
to meet,
To
To
talk.
take.
to talk, to take. So these are called non-finites. I want to meet your father. I want to talk, to meet, to go. I want to eat idli. So to eat, these are all 2 plus v1. To go, to went नहीं होता है, to gone नहीं होता है, v2, v3 नहीं होता है, v1 only. I want to go there. Or you can keep the beginning of that sentence also. To go there is not good. वहाँ जाना ठीक नहीं. To go there is dangerous. So to go, to come, to tell, to meet, these are also called non-finites. So non-finites कैसे होता है? Non-finites ing or ed or en or 2 plus v1. These are the various forms, different forms of the non-finites. And function is adjective, adverb, noun. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I am coming to another part. Non-finites are three
Three
varieties. Okay. Non-finites are three varieties. I, G, P.
P.
What is I?
Infinitive.
Infinitive. Very good. Infinitive. What is G?
Sir, gerund.
Gerund. Very good. What is P?
Participle.
Participle. Very good. It is a participle. So accordingly, the non-finites are divided into three varieties. Some non-finites may be infinitives, some non-finites may be gerunds, some non-finites may be participles. Now coming to infinitive. IGP, infinitive. It is to plus V1. To go, to come, to listen, to write, to job. I want to meet your father. To meet is non-finite, and this non-finite is infinitive. What is infinitive? It means 2 plus
V.
V1. It means 2 plus
V1.
To go, to come, to write, to jump, to listen. So this is called infinitive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to gerund. Gerund means ing verb
Acting
acting as
as
noun.
noun.
Example I will give you. Smoking
Plus-
is a bad habit.
The swimming.
Swimming is a good exercise. Smoking is a bad habit. Okay? What is smoking? This is ing verb
Ing.
acting as a noun. So when ing verbs are acting as a noun, we call them
Gerund.
very good. When ing verbs are acting as nouns, either in the subject place or in the object place, I don't like smoking. I don't like smoking. Okay? So here smoking, in this sentence smoking is in the subject place.
Subject.
And in this sentence smoking is in the object place. So चाहे subject या object, ing verb acting as noun, we call it gerund.
Gerund.
Infinitive clear? Gerund clear?
Yes, sir.
Now come to participle. Okay?
The participle act like adjective.
Very good. Participles
Or adverb.
act as adjective or adverb. What are participles? Participles are non-finite verbs acting as adjective or adverb. In what form they are found? They are found in the ing or ed or en. So non-finites are three varieties: infinitives, gerunds, participles. Infinitives: to go, to come, to live. Okay. Now gerunds, ing verb acting as nouns. Very good, clear. Now
Yes, sir.
participles. Participle means they are ing or ed or en and functioning as adjective or adverb. Now examples. I will give you some examples. Can anybody take some examples? He went away crying. What is crying? और he went smiling. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते वो चला गया. What is smiling? This adverb.
Adverb.
Why adverb? Because there is a verb and verb qualified adverb. He went smiling. He went crying. He went away crying. रोते रोते चला गया. So here adverb. ing as adverb. Okay. Now second sentence.
Sir, can I say?
हाँ. Yes.
Sir, he came running.
He came running. भागते भागते आया. दौड़ते दौड़ते आया. He came running. What is running? Participle. Okay. We call it present participle. Go, went, gone, going. Run, ran, run, running. Similarly, swimming, swimming. He came swimming. और तरते तरते आया. He came swimming. What is swimming? Participle, right?
Yes, sir.
Now look at the decorated car. Decorated car. Now what is decorated? This is adjective. Why adjective? Because car is a noun and this word is before the noun, qualify the noun, therefore this is adjective. Ed, okay. So ing and ed or en. Now I am coming to en.
Yeah.
This is a
Broken chair.
broken chair. This is a broken pen. What is broken? En verb. And pen is noun.
Noun.
Therefore broken is adjective.
Adjective.
So either ing or ed or en acting as adjective or adverb, we call it participles. So in non-finite, three varieties: infinitive, gerunds,
And
participle.
participle.
IGP, infinitive, gerund, participle. So the concept is clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, children. 5 minutes break. Okay. After 5 minutes break, we'll start about another subject.